This is a piece of material same kind of chemical composition, say as met glass or piezoelectrical type material, or what, maybe a rod, and of any size. It might be this size or this size or whatever. It depends on the amount of energy that you want out of the thing. So I'm working backwards on this. Okay.
10 kilowatts, enough to run a house.
In order for the system to work, you have to have off and on. It has to turn off and on. So what we're going to do is put a this is not exactly the symbol for it, but it's an NPN resistor, and this is the base. Okay, and let's see, I forget which way the arrows point here, so I'm going to leave the arrows off of it. But what happens, this is your input here, and this is your output here, and it comes over, and well, this is not going to be very pretty, and then this comes back here, and then okay, on the base down here we have a resistor which is controlling our timing device, which opens and closes the gate on this transistor, so that what's coming through here is going to be a certain frequency. You're setting the frequency there, and this is the first coil. Okay, there's a second coil or a number of other coils which are up here. Okay, and what's happening is the magnetic flux in this piece of metal here is set up such that any amount of coils you put up here will duplicate whatever's being put in here. So we have our input. You see, I think it comes like this, and we have this one. There's another deal here, and this is going to be your negative side, and this okay, no, this is a negative right here, this is plus, and this is plus here. So this negative one here is coming back over here. And the output, this is your output here, and this is your main input here.
I have a question. In this, you have these two shorted together. Is that the right? Or does this end up going?
And this one it goes around that one, and this one. Let's see.
Yeah, I just want to make sure, because this looks like...
You want to know where the...
Well, it's interesting that this is shorted together up here, that it's completely shorted to this plus.
I won't swear that this is 100% correct, but the one that you will see later is. But I think it may look illogical there in a place or two, but I think that's pretty close to correct. But you'll know later.